Hi everybody, just thought I'd do a quick channel update video here, kind of let everybody know what's going on. I know I have not been posting videos as frequently as I had been in the past. I was trying to put out 2 or 3 videos a week, sometimes 4 or 5. Turns out that's not entirely sustainable. That's a crazy person thing to do. So I had to adjust a few things, plus life's been a little crazy lately. So time's been a little less available for a lot of that, and I've been trying to do a few more ambitious things that take a lot more time and 3 or 4 days to edit, and it's really hard to put out 3 videos a week when it takes 9 days to edit those 3 videos. Until I get an editor or something like that, it's gonna have to find a balance someplace, because this isn't the only thing in the world to do. And speaking of that, I have decided there are a lot of people that are subscribed here that never watch most of my videos, because they're just here for the fast food stuff, Taco Bell and other things. And I did a lot of those videos. There aren't a lot more to do, so I've been doing more normal cuisine stuff lately. So there's a couple hundred people that watch the regular videos, and there's a couple thousand people that are subscribed that never watch any of the videos because they don't care about any of that stuff. So I decided to launch Drive-Thru Kitchen. This is a channel just for the fast food stuff. When it's on there, that's what it is. It's just make it, drive-through to your kitchen, better and cheaper, and some other, cool slogan, things like that. That is kind of fun because those videos are super easy to crank out, and I can do one of those really fast, and they're very easy to edit because they don't take much time in the whole thing. Plus, I don't know if you know this or not, a lot of those videos were not perfect. I did a lot of those before I knew what the hell I was doing at all. Not that I claim to know now, but before I knew anything, there's a lot of really low quality videos in there, and several mistakes and things I forgot. And the comment section has been fantastic about letting me know when I got it wrong, and I'm happy to admit if I am wrong, so I'm trying to correct some of those mistakes over there. Yes, the Enchilada video will feature and does feature black olives. Gotcha. And the creamy jalapeno sauce at Taco Bell does not have sour cream in it. There's none. So I'm going to be doing that one again soon. Neither does the creamy chipotle sauce. That doesn't have any sour cream in it either. There's none. So we're not putting those in there. We're going to redo those, do them the right way, get you the right recipe, because I've learned a lot and I have a new source for information. Oh my God, it is amazing. If you want to go check out Drive-Thru Kitchen, just as much rambling, just as much silliness. I've gotten better at making the videos. These are brand new videos. These are not rehashed videos. I'm not just taking stuff from this channel and putting it over there. These are reshot videos. So if you saw it the first time and loved it and want to know how to make it better and see me be even sillier, then you got to go over to Drive-Thru Kitchen and check that out. I'm still doing the Guillermo's Cocina, which is for the Mexican food, more authentic, more staples, more technical things. And someday, if I ever get my smoker working or a place to do that in the backyard that isn't in the middle of a main highway, I will get the Billy Bob's Barbecue channel back up and running, hopefully soon. I wish I had an update on getting a new kitchen. Still pending, folks. Still looking, still trying, still going out. Did a 13-hour road trip looking at stuff, and no bueno. So still here for a little while, a couple more months probably. It is the middle of summer. I live in a very hot place, and I don't feel like moving when it's 114 degrees. No bueno. Bueno is sometime in the fall. Till then, we're going to be still cooking here. More stuff to come. Tons of fun things. I've got another video I am working on right now, which is why I have time. I got to go change the shirt because this is a how to cook thing I'm working on. So I'm going to get back to work. Thanks for watching this. Go over to Drive-Thru Kitchen. There's a link here to go check that out. And hopefully you enjoy those videos. If you do, subscribe to that channel too, and all kinds of fun stuff. So thanks for watching these videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. It is crazy to think that everybody's out there watching these videos. I mean, if one person watched these videos, it's blowing my mind. And there are thousands of people watching these. That's insane. So it's kind of an unexpected journey here. I never really thought I'd be doing this, but it is a lot of fun, and I hope to keep doing it for a very long time. If you keep watching, I'll keep making it. Until then, have a good one. Bye.